Nice long body, perfect form. Beautiful teeth, just perfect all around.
Uh-oh.
What?
People.
Oh no, people.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact.
Bark at your dog.
Roof!
The difference between Goldens and Labs.
Good.
Easy.
Look at that. He is tall. He's a tall man. He was a nickel when I kidnapped him from his mother.
Are you kidding me? So what does this mean? Does this mean I literally just bought Ratatouille for nothing?
Go whisper bark. Nope. Quiet. Whisper. You go woof. Yeah, like that. Woof. Good job. That's a better one.
Get out of my sandwich. No.
That's my boy. No, my boy!
Father, help!
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. F you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch.
Just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop! Drop down. Snap. Ah!
Jerry, hey! Jerry, leave her alone! Be a good boy, stop hurting Allie! Allie, pet him.
No!
Allie, he loves you. Jerry, stop!
Ow! Ow! Jerry, why don't you love me?
You're tough. Tough guy. You're tough. You're really tough guy.
What? Are you okay? Can you be okay when others are not?
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He
got to understand that there are consequences to your actions.
You are like Papa. I was washing my face. I breathed the bubbles on my nose holes, and it felt like it went into my brain.
Trop drôle.
I'm not Mama. Mama's over there. Hi there, little guy. You're a teeny tiny. Here, look at you next to my coffee cup so we can see how little you are. You are teeny tiny.
What's your favorite cat video?
You went from a size 10 to a size 20 in the space of 1 year. What was causing all that?
Food.
Grandma and Grandpa are sleeping. What is your deal? Hey.
Missed you. Hey? Did you have a good day? What? Okay. More pets?
Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
On m'explique comment je peux faire pour résister à ça quand je vois ça. Non mais...
Can't believe what just happened. I left Indy home for a little bit and she got my down winter sleeping bag.
Apple! Is it apple? No? Is it apple?
All right, you've got it. Here's the full clip, the famous clap. Wait for it.
Jen, do you want to go? Sergeant.
Don't be so mean. Can I put it? Can I put it?
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. I salute you.
Hey Anna, are you ready to go? We're gonna be leaving here in a bit.
Difference between two dogs. Dog one. Dog number two.
Have y'all ever seen a dog that likes ice this much?
Fucking crackhead.
I'm sorry. I was watching TikToks. I'm sorry. I can cuddle now. I can. Come on. I'm sorry. You can come right there.
Introducing Squishy's baby. Good to see you, baby. Feel the chickies. Feel the chickies, baby.
What happened? Did you wake yourself up? No, you are so very grumpy. Oh, what are you gonna do? You can go back to sleep? You don't know? Okay.
Yeah?
Bring them outside. Bring your babies outside. Good girl. Good girl, Mama. Hurry, go, 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 go.